Miss Pryor.
Hi, Lizzie.
Hi, Miss Pryor. So, what did you do before teaching at Centaurus?
I taught at Arapahoe campus and before that at Fairview High School.
What made you want to be a teacher?
I took an introductory course my freshman year of college where we worked directly with students, and I loved it and switched my major from journalism to education.
What is your favorite part of being a teacher?
Supporting students when they accomplish something that they never thought they could do, like solving a math problem or reaching graduation, is my greatest pleasure.
What is your favorite kind of music and band?
I love all types of music.
Alright, what is your favorite song?
Sugarland's Baby Girl is my favorite song because it always reminds me of my daughter.
Okay, what is your favorite thing about teaching at Centaurus?
The students and the teachers at Centaurus are the kindest, most helpful people I've ever worked with, and I've been teaching for 34 years, so that says a lot about CHS.